Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Vileda Mop Refills is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of maintaining a sparkling clean home, and today, we're diving deep into what makes these specific refills stand out from the crowd, ensuring your Vileda Mop performs at its peak efficiency for every cleaning task, from everyday spills to deep grime, making your chores significantly easier and more effective. Number 5. Vileda UltraMax Refill 2-Pack. Introducing the Vileda UltraMax Refill, designed for all your floor cleaning needs. It's perfect for any floor type in your home. Experience superior hygiene as it removes over 99% of bacteria using just water. Keep your home cleaner and healthier with this effective solution. Featuring advanced microfiber technology, it tackles stubborn dirt with its red and gray fibers. The white fibers ensure a brilliant shine on your floors. This refill effortlessly removes grease and cleans without leaving any residue. Enjoy spotless floors every time, no matter the surface. Designed for longevity, each cover is machine washable and can be reused up to 200 times. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. It's perfectly compatible with the UltraMax 1.2 spray and UltraMatte flat mop systems. Get the most out of your Vileda mop with these essential refills. What we like. If you're looking for a refill that tackles tough dirt and leaves your floor sparkling, this is it. Its advanced microfibers are designed for superior cleaning performance. Choose this if you want a deep clean without streaks, even on the most stubborn grime. What people say. Easy to rinse and clean, so your next pass is with clean water. When done, just unsnap and throw in washer and dryer. Pula senza scotchular meglio del moschio. Number 4. 3-pack spin mop replacement heads for Easywring 1-tank system. Experience powerful cleaning that tackles tough dirt using just water. Made with premium microfiber, these heads are highly absorbent and safe for all your floor types. This value pack includes 3 replacement heads, designed to last you a full year. Save time and money while achieving a thorough clean with less effort. Easily absorb stubborn dirt and dust from any floor surface. They work effectively on hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, linoleum, and more, leaving no streaks behind. Simply toss them in the washing machine to refresh the microfiber. This makes them reusable, saving you time on housework and ensuring a consistently clean mop. Please note, these are compatible replacement parts for the Easywring 1-tank system only. They are not original products and are not covered by official warranties. What we like. If you need a cost-effective solution for your Easywring 1-tank system, this value pack is a great choice. It offers powerful cleaning with absorbent microfiber. Consider this if you want a year's supply of mop heads that are machine washable and reusable. What people say. Easily run through washer and set next to a dehumidifier for rapid drying. Can be put in dryer. I hesitate to due to the noise and proactively considering dryer as a fluff treatment, which makes a use lifespan as well as absorption for many uses without signs of wear. These are more like microfiber mop heads than the brand original ones. And I actually like that better when cleaning up messes and spills. They fit perfectly into my mop head and spin just like the originals, very easy to use. They are incredibly absorbent and hold more liquid than other mop heads I have used. Snap onto my O-Cedar mop super easily and work like a dream. I've used and washed them bunches, they're super light and clean easy. Number 3. O-Cedar RinseClean 2-tank spin mop head replacements, 3-pack. Discover the ultimate solution for your cleaning needs with our premium spin mop head replacements. Designed for a spotless finish every time. These mop head refills are exclusively compatible with the O-Cedar RinseClean 2-tank system. Please ensure you have this specific model for optimal performance. Crafted from 100% high-quality microfiber, they offer exceptional absorbency to tackle dust, pet hair, grime, and even tough stains. They leave your floors sparkling clean and dry. Perfect for a variety of sealed hard surfaces including wood, tile, laminate, and marble. Use them wet for deep cleaning or dry for dusting and spot removal. Replacing them is a breeze, simply detach the old one and snap on the new. They are also machine washable and reusable, making your cleaning routine more convenient and eco-friendly. This 3-pack ensures you have replacements ready when needed, providing a long-lasting and cost-effective cleaning solution for your home. What we like. If you own the O-Cedar RinseClean 2-tank system, this is the perfect refill. Its highly absorbent microfiber strands ensure a deep clean without scratching floors. Opt for this if you want a mop head that cleans effectively and dries quickly, suitable for all hard surfaces. What people say. They are highly absorbent, clean thoroughly, and wash up perfectly in the machine, maintaining their structure and effectiveness use after use. They fit the O-Cedar spin mop system perfectly, just like the original heads. The sturdy construction and snug fit keep it securely in place during use, making cleaning smooth and effortless. It glides easily across the floor and does a great job picking up dirt, dust, and spills. Number 2. O-Cedar Easywring Spin Mop Replacement Heads. Introducing a complete mop head solution designed for your O-Cedar Easywring mop. This set includes everything you need for a sparkling clean home. Our microfiber mop heads are perfect for capturing dirt and dust on all smooth surfaces. They are durable, machine washable, and reusable for long-lasting performance. Tackle stubborn stains with our specially designed scrubber mop heads. Their stiff bristles work effectively to lift away tough grime, making cleaning 99% more effective when paired with the microfiber heads. These versatile mop heads are suitable for a variety of floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. They are ideal for use in kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, and more. Crafted from high-quality materials, our replacement mop heads are built to last. They can be easily washed and reused, offering a sustainable and cost-effective cleaning solution. Specifically designed for the O-Cedar Easywring one-tank system, these mop heads ensure a perfect fit and optimal cleaning performance. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement experience. What we like. If you deal with tough, stubborn stains on your hard floors, this set is for you. It combines microfiber heads with specialized scrubber heads for a 99% more effective clean. Choose this if you need to tackle kitchen grease or other tough grime and want a powerful cleaning duo. What people say. These fit perfectly and work just like the originals. They clean well and are easy to swap out when needed. I like the thickness of the mop. I use the brush to scrub my floors and it leave my floor clean and not sticky. I also like how easy it is to apply and remove the mop head and the brush. Love the fact that they are washable. May consider purchasing a different brand altogether next time if you need to replace, but for now it is functioning and doing the job I needed to do. Number 1. O-Cedar Spin Mop Replacement Heads, 3-pack. Ensure a perfect fit for your O-Cedar Easywring one-tank spin mop. These replacement heads are designed for seamless integration and optimal performance with your existing mop system. This pack includes 3 chenille mop pads designed for your O-Cedar mop. They offer excellent absorbency for liquids and spills, with soft fibers that powerfully pick up dirt and dust without scratching your floors. These mop heads are built to last and are completely reusable. Simply machine wash them to clean and reuse them repeatedly, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for your cleaning needs. Experience superior cleaning with our high-quality mop heads. Crafted from microfiber and a blend of cotton and synthetic materials, they effortlessly tackle dirt and grime on any surface. Its strong cleaning power effectively picks up dirt and dust, while the durable and washable design traps dust and pet hair. This makes them ideal for various surfaces and homes with pets. These mop head replacements are perfectly compatible with the O-Cedar Spin Mop one-tank system. They enhance cleaning efficiency, making maintenance easy and effective for your spin mop. What we like. If you have pets or are looking for superior dust and spill absorption, these chenille mop pads are ideal. Their soft fibers trap dirt and pet hair effectively without scratching. Consider this if you want a highly absorbent and reusable mop pad that's perfect for everyday cleaning in homes with pets. What people say. Fits onto the mop as it should. I've used and washed them multiple times and they're still in good as new shape. Quality, durable and so worth the money. Fits my spin mop perfectly but less bulky than the original mop head. Easy to put on, take off. Washes well in the washer. Great for walls, baseboards, cabinets, floors, you name it. Rinsing and spinning the water out so it was just damp was so easy. The curve of the head really allowed me to get into corners and along the crevices, and there was no bending or ladders necessary with the long mop handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.